Hi, I'm Randy Stern along with George Torneline, and this is the upcoming Scout. Now specifically, this is the Traveler, which is the 4-door SUV. It also comes in a Terra, which is a 4-door pickup truck. But as you can see, if you remember what a Scout is, they were built by International Harvester as a competing SUV against the Willys and then Kaiser Jeep. So the shape itself takes from the Scout 2, which was the second generation Scout that was sold throughout the 70s. However, you can see there's a lot of modern touches to it. For example, up front, there's no grille. However, you have this ghost lighting, which is a LED element along with binocular inspired headlamps. You have 4 lamps on each side. There's a frunk underneath here, which means this is an all-electric vehicle, a dual-motor setup. And that means also 4-wheel drive, because look at it. This thing's ready for adventure. Now, there's a lot of design touches all throughout the Scout here. So let me just walk over with me here. Now inside, you have a dashboard that's reminiscent of the Scout 2 itself. So it's more of a linear dashboard with an indent. And the only difference is there's no analog dials. Everything is digital, including the digital touchscreen. And you also have touch buttons as well. They're talking about bringing back all of these tactile controls, which is very important in today's electronic and haptic touch world. So we go around here. So it's a 2-row, this one. So you can see it up to 5. Come around the back. Let me show you this. Look at this space. You could load up gear, and by gear, I mean lots of gear. And even better, you have a full-size, all-terrain tire that's connected to a tire carrier that you have to close when you close the split gate. Now, this is another thing too, is usually you have one big lift gate on these SUVs. Scout is making sure you get a split gate. So you can use this for tailgating or anything your heart desires. It's really a great setup here. Now, there's more. Believe it or not, you can have a setup for which you have 2 seats up front with a center console. Now, on some models, you can get an available 3-seat bench. A bench seat, just like the good old days. Now, also, I want to show you another thing too. This word harvester. Harvester means that this has a gasoline engine along with an electric motor, with the priority being the electric motor. In other words, it's an extended range generator. Now, this is a great option for those of you who don't want a full EV. They just want a gasoline engine so they can go further. Now, I don't have all the numbers as far as range are concerned, but believe me, this is really ready for adventure wherever you take it. Now, why am I bullish on Scout? Well, number 1, they're backed by Volkswagen. Number 2, they're also got access to a parts bin and components that will keep them in business for a longer period of time. Thirdly, the name. If you have a memory and you're going back to the 1970s or the 80s, then you recognize what this vehicle is completely all about. Off-road adventure, anywhere to go, as long as you're fully charged up and ready to climb anywhere. Now, Scout is coming for the 2027 model year. Production should start in 2026 at their new facility outside of Columbia, South Carolina. Hopefully we'll have a chance to drive this thing. I'll tell you, I would rock this. If you want to rock this, and if you think this is cool, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and the notification bell to find out when our next video is coming out. Thank you for watching.